Now, 2015 saw RBI Governor Raghuram Rajan slash repo rates by 1.25%. Following this, home loans did become cheaper. But the entire quantum of the rate cut is yet to be passed on to the home buyers. Will 2016 then be the year when your home loan will become less expensive? Magicbricks Now's Kavita Krishnan caught up with Union Bank's Rakesh Sethi. She began by asking him if we could expect more rate cuts in this new year. Listen in.
I think you have to go through 2 or 3 things before looking at whether the rate cut will happen or not. One is that RBI has made it very clear there will be an accommodative stance. So it gives you a bit of an indication, yes, the mood is on the positive side. But there are constraints on the other side of it. If you look at the inflation rate, it has moved from 5 CPI basically. From 5, it has moved to 5.40. So this will be a factor which will certainly remain in the mind of RBI also, whether inflation is coming down or it's going to be up.
You have a new formula to calculate the base rate now. Will we actually see rates going off faster?
Earlier what was happening, if base rate changes in between, customer was getting a benefit, and if it was going upward, it would have been the other way around. But so far stance has been on the declining side. Now in this type of scenario, borrower will have to wait for 1 year to get the rate adjusted. But secondly, now once you know what is your planning, 1 year you can plan your EMIs accordingly. And if they have reduced, certainly you get the benefit of that.
We have a budget coming around the corner. The government is looking to incentivize people to go out and buy homes to, kind of kickstart the economy. Should the government look at upping the tax incentive?
I would say present tax incentive by itself is also reasonably good. When your interest and partially the installment cost is also taken care of. Incidentally, if say 10% is 9.65 as of today, if that is the interest charged on a loan, 30% of that is subsidized if your income tax is, so effectively what it is? Close to 6.5 to 7%.
Will my home loan in 2016 become cheaper? I'm not linking it to repo rate. I'm not linking it to the base rates. But just tell me this, as a banker, do you see home loans becoming cheaper in the new year?
Okay, tell me what is your expectation first. Because 9.65, I am saying that is a base rate. Below that, no bank can give. So that is a benchmark which is already given. Invariably, 3 to 4 months this festive season, I would say from September to December, nil processing fees. There is no prepayment charges if you want to prepay your loan. So facilities are reasonably there in place. But only thing is, if deposit rate is coming down, certainly why not? The borrower should also get a benefit. And that will happen.